Buying a brand new SUV in 2025 will cost you nearly 50 grand on average. But here's the truth. You don't need to spend that much to get a reliable, safe, and long-lasting SUV. In fact, there are hidden gems on the used market right now under $20,000 that owners swear by for dependability and value. Backed by Consumer Reports data and real-world owner feedback, we've narrowed down 5 of the most reliable SUVs you can buy today without breaking the bank. Stick with us until the end, because the last SUV on this list feels way more premium than its price tag suggests, and it might just surprise you. Let's start with a hidden gem, the 2019 Honda Passport. While most shoppers go straight to the CR-V or the Pilot, the Passport often flies under the radar, but that's exactly what makes it such a smart buy. Redesigned in 2019, the Passport brought a fresh look and extra practicality. Under the hood, you get Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6 with 280 horsepower, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The result? Confident power for highway cruising and enough muscle for weekend adventures. And despite being a mid-size SUV, it still delivers a respectable 21 miles per gallon combined, making it efficient enough for daily commutes while remaining strong for long road trips. The Passport may not shout for attention like some flashier SUVs, but that's the point. It's the quiet performer, the reliable two-row crossover that simply gets the job done. If you want dependability without drama, this Honda deserves a serious look. The 2019 Toyota RAV4 is one of the most trusted names in the SUV market, and for good reason. Redesigned in 2019, it brought a tougher look, better interior quality, and improved driving dynamics, making it feel more upscale than ever. Every model comes with Toyota's dependable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 203 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, averaging around 30 miles per gallon overall. But the real strength of the RAV4 is its reputation. Consumer Reports praises it for outstanding reliability, top-notch safety, and high owner satisfaction. It's the kind of SUV you can buy today and confidently drive for years without worrying about constant repairs. For buyers under the $20,000 mark, the RAV4 2019 is a clear winner. It blends value, durability, and versatility in a way that few other compact SUVs can match. The 2022 Ford Edge is a mid-size SUV that proves you don't have to overspend to get modern features and solid dependability. With seating for 5, it strikes a balance between comfort, technology, and everyday practicality. Most models under $20,000 come with the turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Standard all-wheel drive adds extra confidence in all weather conditions. Fuel economy is solid too, averaging 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway. Consumer Reports recognizes the 2022 Edge for above-average reliability and praises its strong suite of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. For buyers searching for a family-friendly SUV that feels modern, safe, and dependable without breaking the budget, the Ford Edge 2022 is an underrated choice worth considering. The 2019 Honda CR-V is one of those rare SUVs that checks almost every box. Redesigned just 2 years earlier, it was already a favorite among families and commuters thanks to its roomy cabin, clever cargo solutions, and outstanding reliability. Under the hood, you'll find 2 engine options. The base 2.4-liter delivers solid efficiency, while the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, producing 190 horsepower, adds stronger acceleration without sacrificing fuel economy. Paired with Honda's smooth CVT, the CR-V averages about 29 miles per gallon overall, making it one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. Consumer Reports recommends the 2019 CR-V for its long-term dependability, comfort, and top safety scores. Owners highlight its spacious rear seats, class-leading cargo space, and refined ride quality. For under $20,000, the CR-V 2019 isn't just another compact SUV. It's a proven workhorse with the practicality and reliability that have made Honda a household name. If you're enjoying this breakdown and already imagining which of these SUVs could be in your driveway, take a second to fuel up this channel too. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment about the SUV that's caught your eye. Your feedback helps us keep uncovering the best deals and most reliable rides out there. The 2019 Mazda CX-5 is proof that a reliable SUV doesn't have to feel boring. Mazda redesigned it just a couple of years earlier, giving it sleek styling, upscale interior materials, and handling that rivals some luxury brands. Most models under $20,000 come with the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 187 horsepower and paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers lively acceleration and sharp handling, making the CX-5 genuinely fun to drive. Fuel economy is also solid, averaging 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway. Consumer Reports recommends the 2019 CX-5 thanks to its above-average reliability, strong safety record, and high owner satisfaction. Drivers consistently praise its balance of comfort, agility, and premium feel at an affordable price. If you want a compact SUV that blends dependability with driving enjoyment, the 2019 Mazda CX-5 stands out as one of the smartest choices in the used market. So there you have it, 5 of the most reliable SUVs you can find for under $20,000: the Honda Passport, Toyota RAV4, Ford Edge, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, but they all share the same strengths: long-term dependability, strong value, and the kind of confidence you need when buying used. The truth is, you don't need to spend luxury-level money to drive a vehicle that lasts. With the right choice and proper maintenance, these SUVs can easily go well beyond 200,000 miles. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these SUVs would you trust in your own garage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the best cars and trends on the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.